Okay, hello. Here we are again, introducing the next lesson, talking about the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor. Now, there are several parts in this that are required, several parts that are optional. I'll try to remind you of each. This first slide you see here, there is a video of a movie that shows a pretty accurate view of what the attack would have looked like when it was starting. Again, you don't have to watch it, but hey, why would you not want to watch a short little video? It has exciting stuff in it. Then, of course, there are learning targets about what you're going to be doing, investigating the Pearl Harbor attack, so you can make a connection to why did we become directly involved in World War II. And that's where this video is going to go. And here are the directions. Use the links on the slides. Now, I'll tell you this now, I'll tell you this again. Slide 6 is a must do. Then you choose to do either slides 8 or 9. And I'll show that to you in a minute. So, timeline. You've already learned about the start of the war, September 1st, 1939, invasion of Poland, when Germany started to do some really bad things. Then the fall of France. Then the Battle of Britain begins. And now it stretched for a while, as you know. Battle of Britain begins. And this is the new thing. You see the time spread, December 7th, 1941. So it's been a while. Things have been going on. We've been helping them, Lend-Lease, giving them stuff, but now we're going to be directly involved. So here's the first thing. This is a slide 6 you've got to do. It's a brain pop. It gives you the username and password. Watch the video and answer the questions. Not that challenging, but anyway. Now this next one, as you see here, you must complete either 8 or 9. You may complete both if you want, but you only have to do one. It's like the same type of thing, just different versions of it. Now this is one of the required, see, not required. But you get to pretend in your mind that you are a kid back then, sitting at home, listening to the radio to an NFL game between the Giants and the Dodgers. And yes, they were NFL teams back then. You click on that link and you'll hear an actual recording of what happened when all of a sudden they started to tell us Japanese had attacked. Interesting. Then here's where you get to the choice, Newsela or Newsela. You pick which one you want to do. And this is another part that's kind of voluntary, but hey, it's important because December 7th, that was a Sunday, the attack happened. The next day, they call what they call a joint session of Congress because the president cannot declare war by himself. He's got to have Congress do it. So they have both the senators and the congressmen in the same place listening to this speech, and it's really kind of gripping, interesting. Then you've got to do these reflections, both what you learned, you're used to that by now, and how you learned. Then, yay, clap your hands. Great job, you finished. Now you do the optional parts. And again, like some of you do, if you have questions, email me. Peace.